Losing weight can be a challenging and frustrating journey, especially when you're doing everything you think is right but still not seeing results. The truth is, many of us make common mistakes that can unknowingly sabotage our weight loss efforts. Whether it's overeating healthy foods or relying too much on exercise, these errors can slow your progress and leave you feeling stuck. In this guide, we'll cover the 7 most common weight loss mistakes and, more importantly, how to fix them. By the end, you'll have a better understanding of what might be holding you back, and you'll be equipped with actionable tips to get back on track. Plus, don't forget to download the free report in the description for even more tips and insights on how to lose weight effectively and improve your health. Many people believe that exercise alone is enough to shed pounds, but the truth is, weight loss is 80% diet and 20% exercise. No matter how many calories you burn at the gym, if you're not mindful of what you eat, you may still struggle to lose weight. Overeating, even healthy foods, can cancel out your workout efforts. How to fix it? Focus on creating a calorie deficit through mindful eating and portion control. Exercise is an essential component of a healthy lifestyle, but you must combine it with a balanced diet to see real results. Use apps or tools to track your calorie intake and make sure you're not overcompensating for your workouts by eating more than your body needs. Skipping meals, especially breakfast, might seem like an easy way to cut calories, but this tactic can actually hinder your weight loss. When you skip meals, your metabolism slows down, and you may end up overeating later in the day due to increased hunger. Skipping meals can also lead to low energy levels and poor decision-making when it comes to food choices. How to fix it? Instead of skipping meals, focus on eating regular, balanced meals that include lean proteins, healthy fats, and fiber-rich carbohydrates. Eating smaller meals more frequently can help keep your metabolism active, prevent overeating, and stabilize your blood sugar levels. You might not realize it, but sleep plays a crucial role in weight loss. When you don't get enough sleep, your body produces more of the hunger hormone ghrelin and less of the satiety hormone leptin, which can lead to overeating and cravings for unhealthy, high-calorie foods. Lack of sleep can also affect your energy levels, making it harder to stick to your workout routine. How to fix it? Aim for 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep each night. Establish a regular sleep schedule by going to bed and waking up at the same time every day, even on weekends. Create a calming bedtime routine and avoid screens and caffeine before bed to improve the quality of your sleep. Overeating healthy foods. Just because a food is labeled healthy doesn't mean it's calorie-free. Foods like avocados, nuts, smoothies, and whole grains are nutritious but also calorie-dense. It's easy to overconsume these foods and accidentally exceed your daily calorie limit. How to fix it? Pay attention to portion sizes, even with healthy foods. For example, a serving of nuts is about a small handful, which is 1 ounce, and an avocado serving is about 1/3 of the fruit. Use measuring tools to help control portions and keep track of your calorie intake to ensure you're not overeating. Relying on quick-fix diets. Fad diets that promise rapid weight loss are tempting, but they're often unsustainable and can lead to yo-yo dieting. Extreme diets might help you lose weight quickly, but once you go back to your normal eating habits, the weight often returns just as fast. These diets can also deprive your body of essential nutrients, leading to fatigue and other health issues. How to fix it? Focus on creating a balanced, long-term eating plan that includes all food groups in moderation. Instead of cutting out entire food groups or drastically reducing your calories, aim for gradual weight loss by making healthier choices, controlling portions, and staying consistent with your routine. Sustainable weight loss is about making lifestyle changes, not following a quick fix. 6. Not drinking enough water. Staying hydrated is essential for weight loss, but many people overlook how important it is. Water helps with digestion, prevents overeating, and keeps your metabolism running efficiently. Sometimes we mistake thirst for hunger, leading to unnecessary snacking. So, how to fix it? Make sure you're drinking at least 8 glasses or 64 ounces of water per day, or more if you're exercising regularly. Keep a water bottle with you throughout the day as a reminder to drink up. You can also incorporate water-rich foods like cucumbers, watermelon, and leafy greens into your meals to help with hydration. 7. Ignoring strength training. Many people, especially women, Focus solely on cardio when trying to lose weight. While cardio is great for burning calories, strength training is crucial for building muscle and boosting your metabolism. The more muscle you have, the more calories you burn, even at rest. So, how to fix it? Incorporate strength training into your exercise routine at least 2 to 3 times per week. This can include bodyweight exercises like squats, lunges, and push-ups, or lifting weights at the gym. Don't be afraid to challenge yourself with heavier weights. Building muscle won't make you bulky. It will help you burn fat more efficiently. How to fix these mistakes and lose weight successfully. Now that you know the common mistakes that might be holding you back from your weight loss goals, it's time to make the necessary adjustments. Remember, weight loss is a journey that requires patience, consistency, and a sustainable approach. Don't get discouraged by setbacks. Focus on progress, not perfection. Here are some key tips to fix these mistakes. Track your food intake and exercise regularly to ensure you're creating a calorie deficit. Eat balanced meals and avoid skipping meals. Prioritize sleep and stress management to keep your hormones in check. Pay attention to portion sizes, even when eating healthy foods. Avoid quick-fix diets and focus on long-term, sustainable habits. Stay hydrated and incorporate strength training into your routine. Download your free report to learn more. Are you ready to take your weight loss journey to the next level? Download our free exclusive report that reveals even more actionable tips and strategies to help you lose weight effectively and improve your overall health. This report contains expert advice, meal plans, and workout routines designed to help you overcome common weight loss obstacles and achieve lasting success. Click the link in the description to get your hands on this free report today and start making real progress toward your weight loss goals.